Thank you for choosing Beamer PhD. My name is Joseph, the technician working on your vehicle. This is a 2014 BMW 435i convertible, and the customer states that there is a vibration noise coming from the front of the vehicle while driving at highway speeds. So if we come over here to the underbody of the vehicle, I've already performed a vehicle inspection and found that not much is wrong with the front suspension aside from the thrust bushings right here. There's some minor cracking up there, nothing too much. But the main reason for the cause of the customer complaint of vibration is the wheel. So you can see the unevenness in the wheel. The wheel is bent on the inside, causing that vibration. So it is not drastic, yet it's a minor bend in the wheel. So although it may not be obvious while the wheel is spinning, it is there, and that will cause a minor but a still magnified vibration depending on the speed the vehicle is going. The slower the speed, the less obvious the vibration will be. The faster the speed, the more obvious the vibration will be. It's recommended at this time to take the wheel off the vehicle, take it and perform a wheel bend repair.